open it for you?
Yeah. Hey guys, guys, do you remember we said make these? But these stuff for Christmas.
Get down, please.
My little sister is so excited. So
Take it out.
So this is Okay, guys. Let's see what is this girl. This girl better be on Facebook. A bear. I think her mermaid. Gosh, her mermaid. Guys, this is a mermaid. Wait a minute. We need a brush. Her tail? What?
What is it?
What is it? Is it a mermaid? Because it better be a mermaid. Oh, mermaid. Go get her. I can help you get her, bro.
Yeah, she's so pretty. I love her hair.
Her tail's so clear, guys.
Hey.
Everybody, her got this necklace. So let's put that over there.
Oh, she got a mermaid tail. Yeah.
Hey, my dad. Okay, let's open her on.
Hold on, let me put water inside of these containers.
Okay, guys, what the heck is this? Oh, it's a brush. It's a sea brush. I got mine. Not mine, David. Not me. Oh, I got a sponge. Smell good. Mommy, I got a sponge.
Put it back in there, please. Put it back in. No. 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 Cole.
This is so cool, guys. I didn't know this can do this anyway. Whoa. It looked like the ocean. Okay. Orange juice. I make a bubble. Her look like her bathtub. Her cheeks colors. Her cheeks are purple. No, don't be purple. Let me open here. Yeah. I'm speaking. Like a monkey. Great. My hand.
Oh my goodness.
I can stay here like. What the? No.
Wait, baby. Let me help you. Let's put her arms in.
When all the water go out, I am a hot tub. Okay, let's take you a quick. When I let this go see.
Oh, yours got earrings.
Oh,
Look, earrings.
ah, it float, Mommy.
Sit down.
Mommy, it float. What the?
I don't think that
Leave
is
mine.
supposed to go in there.
I need to find mine. I just put my freaking hand in. I think her hair can color change. Okay.
I think.
What
Look
color
how cool the
mine?
water looks, guys. It actually looks like
That's
the
mine.
ocean for the mermaid. That's pretty cool.
Hey guys, look at her. Ooh. Hey guys. Her got purple hair. And her got some stuff over here in her hair a little bit. Pink fan, guys. Let me clean this blue stuff on her cheek. Sponge.